In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Dropbox history, a useful skill for anyone wanting to track changes or recover previous versions of their files. Navigating your Dropbox history can be straightforward, but I'll guide you through each step to make sure you don't miss anything. Firstly, let's start with accessing Dropbox. Open up your preferred web browser and type in www.dropbox.com in the address bar. As the page loads, you'll see the home page of Dropbox, a place where your digital life can be neatly organized and stored. But to see any of your files, you'll need to log in, so let's move on to that next. Once you're on the Dropbox homepage, look for the Login button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you to the login page, where you have multiple options to access your account. For a seamless experience, we'll use the Continue with Google option. This is especially handy if you're already logged into your Google account, as it saves time and keeps you from juggling too many passwords. After clicking on Continue with Google, choose the Google account you wish to use, or log into one if prompted. Once authentication is successful, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of your Dropbox account, where all your stored files and folders reside. Now let's dive into the heart of today's topic, viewing your Dropbox history. Click on the Files section in the sidebar. This is where all your uploaded and shared files are neatly organized. Browse through your files until you find the one whose history you want to check. As you hover over the file, you'll notice 3 dots indicating more options. Click on these dots to open up a menu with various actions. In this menu, find and hover your mouse over the Activity option. This will reveal different activities associated with the file, including who accessed it and when. However, what we're looking for is a bit more specific, the version history. This is where Dropbox shines, allowing you to see past versions of your files, a sort of digital time travel if you will. Click on version history and you'll be taken to a page listing all the different versions of the selected file. Dropbox automatically keeps track of every change made, effectively capturing a snapshot of your file at various points in time. This feature is incredibly valuable for understanding the evolution of your documents or restoring a previous version if recent changes were unintended or if the file becomes corrupted. By now, you should have a clear understanding of how to view your Dropbox history. This feature not only helps in tracking the progression of your work, but also serves as a safety net, ensuring that your important documents are preserved and retrievable at any stage of their development. Remember, the version history is just one part of the comprehensive activity tracking Dropbox offers. It's worth exploring other features within the Activity section to get a fuller picture of how your files are being interacted with. Whether it's shared links, editing permissions, or comment threads, understanding these elements can enhance collaboration and streamline your workflow. In conclusion, mastering your Dropbox history is an essential skill that can save you time and potentially a lot of stress. Whether you're collaborating on projects, safeguarding your creations, or simply trying to stay organized, knowing how to access and interpret this history is key. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope it's been informative and has empowered you to make the most of Dropbox's features. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips to streamline your digital life and enhance your productivity.